Welcome to my CryptoCompare review. I've linked the app below. Let's see what makes this crypto price tracker stand out. CryptoCompare delivers accurate, detailed market data. Real-time prices, historical data, and detailed coin info make it perfect for active traders and investors. Track thousands of cryptocurrencies, compare performance, and access key metrics like trading volume, market cap, and price fluctuations, all in a clean interface. Advanced users can leverage portfolio tracking, monitoring holdings, and visualizing profits and losses with intuitive charts. Add trade history, analyze performance in different currencies, ideal for diversified portfolios. Stay updated with the integrated news feed, aggregating top crypto news sources. CryptoCompare is built for crypto enthusiasts who need detailed, accessible market tracking. Beginners will find it easy to navigate, while experienced traders get advanced tools like custom price alerts and API integrations. Unlike apps with built-in exchanges, CryptoCompare focuses purely on data and analysis. Perfect if your priority is monitoring, not trading. CryptoCompare excels at providing reliable data and portfolio management for all crypto investors. Want an informative app without the clutter? CryptoCompare is worth checking out. Hope this review helps.